Good morning, guys. It's NEESYRAYCHELLE, and today is Saturday, and I am in class. We had to do hair and makeup today, so this is my hair and makeup. I just have to take my scarf off. But yeah, I got a new camera. I'll show y'all a little later because my battery on it is dead clearly. So let me charge that and I'll be back. Hey y'all, so you see what this mess do? This is why I haven't been wearing makeup, because when you wear makeup and have that mask on, it like leaves lines on your face. But yeah, I am in class still, and yeah, waiting on everybody else to get back because we did have our lunch break. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take this makeup off, to be honest, because I feel like it looked bad now, compared to how it looked earlier. But yeah, today I don't had to lay a friend to rest. That was, yeah, that was really hard. Love on your loved ones, take plenty of pictures, take plenty of videos, because when they're gone, that's all you have left of them are the memories. So just continue making memories with your family and friends, because you never know when God's gonna call them home. And that's my piece on that. That's all I'm saying, because still pretty emotional. But yeah, our group of friends, we're gonna go ahead and get together tonight to celebrate her life and her memory. It's they said no crying, so I'm gonna try to get the rest of whatever I got left out before I go over there, because your girl, I am a very emotional being. Like, I cried at the drop of a dime. There used to be a time where I could sit through the saddest movie and not even flinch, but I don't know what happened to me, but I'm soft now. I'm so soft, y'all. I am so soft now. It's sad, but yeah, that's pretty much all that's been going on besides me being in class, y'all. And let me tell y'all, my teacher's a saint, for real. She really is. And for anybody that may be going to school, I pray that you get teachers that are as good and caring as my teacher, because she really is all of that and above. Like, she goes above and beyond for her students, and anybody who's had her, they know that that's true. But yeah, we have to be back in 4 minutes. I got this new drink, y'all. Okay, so this is the get out the camera, Synergy. This one is Mystic Mango, and I've never had this one before, so hopefully it tastes like mango, because I really like mango. And I like these kombucha drinks. Have y'all ever had the Synergy kombucha drinks? They are so good, and certain stores have different flavors. And so Publix had this one. I went and got a sub. But y'all, my teacher on here, so let me go ahead and log on. So y'all, I totally forgot that this was coming. So I ordered a purse, and it had to be custom made. So it's finally finished and it's here. So let me open the box. Probably should sit the camera down. Let me see. And what I love, so this is what the box looks like, right? They hide the fact of who it's from. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited. Ah, it's here. No, stop. We gotta be cute. Alright, drop my little card. Okay, so I did order me a Louis bag. This was supposed to be my graduation gift to myself because I was supposed to be finished with cosmetology school this month. Well, because of the coronavirus, we did not finish this month, so I guess this is an early Christmas gift, I guess is what I'll say. So this is what they sent me. Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials, then packed with the utmost care, following strict sanitary guidelines. Thank God, because you know with this COVID stuff, I ain't trying to get it. So please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfumes, hand sanitizer, or disinfectant. Find our complete care instructions on uslouisvuitton.com, blah, 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 blah. So basically, and my mom told me this about the bag, you have to be very, very careful with products that you use because it can turn the material and cause it to fade. But this is just my packing slip and whatnot, and for the returns and stuff. But the bag that I got is not something I'll be returning because I did get it custom made. It does have my initials and stuff on it. I am going to take it in though to get them to what is it, engrave my initials into the bag, because you can get that done too. Let me get it out the box. Let me sit y'all down. Alright, so this is the box it comes in. Once it focus, y'all excuse everything I got on this little bed. So I got everything on this bed. But this is the box it comes in. These little ribbons and stuff, I don't know. I don't know what the ribbons are. It comes with a little mini card. Oh, this card's like, this like a, hold on y'all, let me, alright, I hope y'all can see, but so it came with this little mini card. Okay, so like basically if I wanted to gift this to someone, this would be the ribbon and the card that you would put in the gift to give to them. But I am the person who's getting the gift, so that's it. So I have my bag. I just feel like because my light is here. Okay, so got the bag it comes in, and you definitely want to keep those because you don't want your bag messing up. And boy, doing this with one hand is very, very hard. Y'all, okay, so this is what the top of the bag looks like. I did, oh, it's so cute, y'all. Okay, so that's the top of the bag. It has this little lock here, so like if you want your purse to not be wide open, it locks there. And so I'm just going to open that so we can see. Well, let me show y'all the outside of the bag first. So this is the outside of the bag. I have the Louis Vuitton symbol here. Louis Vuitton symbol there. Hotel Fuji, Tokyo, Japan. Louis Vuitton, Miami, because I am in Florida, baby, and we got to represent. And then I do have my initials on here as well. And then on the back, I have my Virgo sign because I am Virgo. A Las Vegas Louis Vuitton symbol, another Louis Vuitton symbol, and a Louis Vuitton with the lipstick. And so now let me open the bag. Y'all, I'm ready to get out of class. Like, I just feel like today should have been a day that I did not have class just because of everything that's going on right now. Y'all, when I tell you doing this with one hand, it's very, very hard. So I want to show y'all the inside of the bag. Let's see. Let me sit y'all down real quick. Alright, so I got the little clamp open. Focus. These are the straps. And y'all can see how big the bag actually is. It's like the perfect tote size for me. It's not too big. Then I got the inside, this red color, because I just felt like the light color would get dirty too fast, and I don't want my bag to get dirty quickly. And then here's my little wristlet that comes with it. This also has the patchwork on it. Same Louis Vuitton symbols, the Miami symbol, and my Virgo, Las Vegas, and Hotel Fuji symbol. So that is attached, and I could take it off if I wanted to and just carry it by itself. But yeah, y'all, this is my bag. I've been waiting. I ordered my bag in October. I think I ordered my bag October 16th, and today is December 5th. So what? It took November was a month. November made 1 month. November made 1 month. Oh, my face is so oily, y'all. And then it was supposed to be here December 11th. That was the expected time for it to get here. And it is December 5th, so it came 6 days early. Yeah, I'm just happy. That made my day because, like, look at her. She's so cute. Oh, yes, I can't wait to carry this. Y'all. But, yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my bag. Baby, I've been watching the camera waiting for this UPS man to get here, and I was hoping that he got here while I was here or while somebody was here, because listen, everybody's been gone today. Like my mom went to my aunt's birthday drive-by, my dad went to my aunt's house, my other aunt's house. Today is my cousin's birthday, and my brother is at my other aunt's house hanging out with my little cousin. So, you know, I just want to make sure somebody was here when it got here. And I was here, and I got my bag. Probably gonna edit that out, cause get it together. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all my bag before I went back to class. Now I'm gonna go back to class and do my work now, and actually do my work this time, because I'm not waiting for my camera to get, or not my camera. I'm not waiting for my bag to get here. Oh, I didn't show y'all what camera I got either. I'll show y'all that later. Because I'm supposed to be in class and I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. So let me go do what I'm supposed to be doing, and I'll come back and talk to y'all a little later. All right?